Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for being here. You already introduced me, so I shouldn't say that. Hi, I'm Karan Johar, and I'm here to tell you about famed School of Style. Movies, as you know, are like visual poetry, and as central as every role is to the filmmaking process, there is no doubt in my mind that stylists, as we know, are the Shakespeares of the visual language. Stylists are central to the look that we love and emulate. Be it movies, TV serials, or ads, a stylist has the vision to turn average into extraordinary. They have a sixth sense that is not complacent with ordinary at all. Which is why I'm excited about the famed School of Style. It celebrates the role of stylists and the role they play in our lives. While I personally, if I may say so myself, played a mildly significant role in making and breaking several fashion rules through my films, I stand proud today knowing they were widely accepted and appreciated and emulated. Some of the V-neck neons of Rahul from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, the much copied lehengas of Pooh in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, the casual faded denims of Sid in Wake Up Sid, and not to forget the too cool for school wardrobe for Shania in Student of the Year. These were not just looks, not just a combination of clothes pulled together from a pile of stuff, and definitely not a coincidental cosmic interference of Nefertiti, definitely not. These were conscious choices to project India's youth as cool, confident, and globally relevant. It is now time, ladies and gentlemen, to show the world how stylish India can be, and the stylists that will compete to find a place in School of Style will actually help me do that. World over, the youth is turning to the internet to take cues from stylists. I'm on the lookout for such young, talented stylistas. If you think you have what it takes to impress us, then I challenge you to write to me on schoolofstyle@livefame.com. That is schoolofstyle@livefame.com, and participate in India's first ever hunt for the best stylists of this country. This is going to be, ladies and gentlemen, a life-defining experience.
Well, I think it's definitely, as I said, it's to kind of be standing first in line is always exciting to do anything. And I think that it's very important to kind of like chance pe dance, like they say, So you know that this is going to be the growing phenomenon. And I think not only have I done television content, like you just said, that has actually grown more, success is much more because of the digital world.
Absolutely.
But I think that I'm the first now, I think one of the few filmmakers that have realized how important it is to kind of interact with the social media, to kind of platform your content digitally, and whatever you're doing, like say that we're looking for stylists like we just spoke about. I think it's the best way to kind of create that pool of talent and then leverage it.
Absolutely.
So I'm glad that I'm actually being the first point of contact to judge that amazing talent, so I can use it myself. जो है बहुत मायने रखता है, क्योंकि जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि हम फिल्म मेकर्स हैं, निर्माता, निर्देशक, पूरी सारी इंडस्ट्री, स्टूडियोज़ नए टैलेंट की खोज हमेशा कर रहे हैं. तो ये जैसे डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म जैसे हम जिसकी का हिस्सा मैं होने वाला हूँ, इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म टू फाइंड न्यू टैलेंट एंड इमर्जिंग टैलेंट. तो इसीलिए बहुत ही मायने रखता है, मेरे लिए नहीं, सारी इंडस्ट्री की. जी बिल्कुल, बहुत सारे, अगर आप सिंगिंग के जोन से हैं, कॉमेडी करना चाहते हैं, म्यूज़िक किसी स्टोरी भी आप बोलना चाहते हो, तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म द्वारा यू कैन पुट इट आउट देयर. और बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्टिकल्स हैं जो आपको जज कर पाएंगे, and you'll be able to kind of platform your talent efficiently. Well, I'd love to find new talent, and if I do, then of course I would love to work with them, because I'll be the first in line to kind of spot that talent, so I should leverage it more than anyone else.